Hi everyone, this is my teddy bear I had at my window at my house. I'm not sure if everyone got to do the teddy bear hunt. There's probably still time. I got outside yesterday because it was a beautiful day. Hopefully you got outside to count some trees or count the birds you see, anything. It's great to start to do a lot of counting. That's how you get really good at it. And if you have a brother or sister in the house, maybe you can play hide and go seek. So today's lesson is about you making some cards and practicing writing your numbers. So as you can see, I made a set of cards. I just needed some scissors and maybe your parents can help you with scissors and paper. But the other part of that is I also have dot cards. These dot cards are important because it helps you to practice counting numbers quickly in your head. So part of today's lesson is making those cards. After that, you'll see what you're going to do with those cards. These activities can be spread out over a whole day or practiced all week. All practice with numbers like this is great. Talk later.
I made some cards and we're going to do a matching activity. So on one side I have dots and the other I have numbers. So what I'd like you to do once you get your cards to match up, to match them with the correct number with the correct dots. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of organizing before I can get this done. Ah, I think I have a match. See you soon. Okay, our second activity. When you're using your cards, if you remember the story from the other day, they were always out of order. So that's what I'm going to get you to do. Put these numbers in the right order. So get someone to mix them up and see if you can put them in the right order. Our last activity for today is to figure out which number is missing, just like with Albert and his friends. So let's count off. 1, 2, 4, 5. Something's wrong. Try to find where a missing number goes. So boys and girls, what I want you to do with all these activities is try them several times. Try with higher numbers and moving things around. Maybe you can play with an older brother or sister so they can move the numbers around and you can figure out how to count them off in the right order.
Hi. So that's the end of the main lesson activities. Those are things that you can continue to do over the next couple of weeks. A little bit of practice goes a long way. You want to know your numbers and be able to connect it to the dot cards really quickly. Anytime you get a chance to play a board game with dice, snakes and ladders, Candyland, any of those board games are awesome to play. Um, I've also included today a book about Albert again, and he's counting more things. And finally, you have some exercises. Remember how we used to do our yoga stretches in class and we'd count down 10, 9, 8? Maybe we can teach your parents what kind of stretches you can do and hold them for a count of 10. So again, get outside, have play, and have some fun. And we'll talk again next week. Bye for now.